Thiago here, welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the Boulies Master Rex chair. So this one here, I'm using for a while now. So in this video, I'm gonna tell my experience with this chair. I have been using this chair for the last 2 months, so I'm gonna tell you all about this chair. With this said, let's start the review. So today, like I said, I'm diving into the chair that's been getting a lot of attention in the home office and gaming world. The Boulies Master Rex. You have been searching for a premium ergonomic chair with a built-in leg rest, customizable lumbar support, and a design that blends comfort with durability. This one might be already in your radar after spending time with it. So I got this around last December, so nearly 2 months I would say, exploring its features and digging into what makes it different. I've got a lot to share. Right, let's start with the overall experience. The Master Rex gives you off a premium vibe the moment you unbox it. It ships from XS here in UK, and assembly it surprisingly smooth. Most people report finish it in around 30 minutes. Well, in my case, it took around 40 minutes. Not bad, I would say. Everything feels solid. All the holes matches, so it's smooth with the screws. Even before sitting down, you can tell this isn't your typical budget chair, pretending to be ergonomic. The steel frame, the aluminum base, and the upgraded components all signal that this chair is built to last. Once you sit down, the first thing you notice is the enhanced comfort design. The Master Rex is clear design for long sessions, whether it's work, gaming, or just relaxing. The seat cushions uses a rounded edge design that avoids the sharp corners you see in cheaper chairs. This makes a huge difference because it reduces the pressure on your hips and thighs, and it gives you a wider seating area. You don't feel boxed in or forced into a single posture. Instead, the chair adapts to you, not the other way around. One of the standout features is the integrated lumbar support. Unlike chairs that rely on the loose pillow or the fixture curves, this one gives you an adjustable system that moves up and down so you can align it perfectly with your spine. This is a big deal if you spend hours at your desk. Everyone's back is different, and having the ability to fine-tune the lumbar means you can actually get support where you need it. It's one of the features that genuinely sets the Master Rex apart from the generic ergonomic chairs. Now, let's talk about the reclining, because this chair takes it seriously. The Master Rex reclines from 95 degrees to all the way to 165 degrees, which means you can go from upright productivity to near flat relaxation. Pair that with the built-in leg rests, and you have got a setup that feels more like a lounge chair than an office chair. The leg rest slides out smoothly and gives your thighs full support, which is perfect for breaks, watching videos, or even quick power naps. The tilt mechanism is also upgraded, offering a stable rocking motion and that ability to lock the chair in a tilt position. It feels secure, not wobbly, and that stability adds to the premium feel. The 4D aluminum armrests are another highlight. Most chairs at this price point use plastic internals, but Boulies went with high-grade aluminum alloy. This makes the armrest stronger, smoother, and more durable. The arm pads themselves are softer than previous versions, giving your elbows a comfortable resting point. They adjust in every direction, up, down, forward, back, side to side, and even angle rotation, so you can dial in the perfect position where you are typing, gaming, or leaning back. Let's talk materials, because Boulies gives you 2 options: the Ultra Flex PU leather or the water repellent fabric, both paired with microfiber suede. The Ultra Flex PU is inspired by sports car interiors, and it looks like it will be very durable. The fabric option, the one I have, is breathable and treated to repel water, and this is great if you are worried about spill. Both materials are designed to stay comfortable over long sessions, and the cold cure foam underneath keeps its shape instead of fluttering out over the time. The base of the chair uses an aluminum 5-star design, which adds stability and strength. The XLPU casters are smooth and safe for wooden floors, so you don't have to worry about scratches, and the Class 4 cast lift, the highest grade, ensures safety and long-term durability. These are the kinds of details that matter because they are the difference between a chair that lasts a year and a chair that lasts 5 or more years. In real-world use, the Master Rex shines. The lumbar support keeps your posture aligned during long work sessions. The recline and the legs rest combo makes it easier to switch between productivity and relaxation without leaving your desk. The seat cushions stays comfortable even after hours of sitting, and the overall build quality gives you confidence that this chair is going to hold up. Looking at the customer feedback, it's really good also, with a rating of 4.87 out of 5 across 105 reviews. So yeah, I would say people are quite happy. I am happy with this one also. So, who is the Boulies Master Rex for? If you work from home, game for long sessions, or simply want a chair that supports your body instead of fighting it, this is a strong contender. The integrated leg rest makes it especially appealing for people who want to hybrid work and relaxed setup. The adjustable lumbar support means that you can adapt to different body types and preference. As for the price, the Master Rex normally sits around £400, but with a current sale code, it drops to £220. Considering the materials, the adjustability and the overall build quality, it offers strong value compared with other premium ergonomic chairs. To wrap it up, the Boulies Master Rex is a chair that blends comfort, adjustability and durability in a way that genuinely improves your daily experience. Whether you are working, diving into long gaming sessions, or kicking back with the leg rest extended, it delivers support exactly where you need it. It was well designed and well built, and packaged with features that really make the difference. If you are looking to upgrade your setup and want a chair that keeps it up with your lifestyle, the Master Rex is absolutely worth considering. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the Boulies Master Rex. This is a really good chair, in my opinion, of course. I've been using for a while, as you guys can see. I'm sat on that in the moment. If you want to buy this chair, I'm going to leave links in the video description. Please use them. It doesn't harm you, but helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.